That little screw looks like it's loose. It sure was loose. I'd like to take it out. Put a little bit of Loctite in there. Doesn't seem like it wants to come out. Well, I hear it clicking over, so I know it's up, there it goes. Right there. Okay. Yeah, there's a little, it just looks like it threads into this piece. A little hole in that little V-shaped notch. Looks like there was some Loctite on it already. Perfect. Perfect. Turn it backwards till you feel it click. Up, there it goes. Bring it down. Well, let's see if it works. Huh. No wobble. Perfect. Good to go. That's how you fix a Philips Sonicare toothbrush that's loud and that the little metal piece is all moving around. It's perfect. I think that'll work. Now we'll put it back together. It's got some yuck around there. Oh, let's pop that O-ring off there. Got a little dab of silicone grease. I'm just gonna put a little bit around that. I'll take a little bit, put it on this O-ring. That back in the groove, like so. So it's got a little bit of an angle going up that way, as you can see, kind of like that. So that goes back in like so. Click. That snaps in there. There's two little clips. You can't see very well. There's one here, one right there. So now we got our cap. Line it up like so. Clunk. There it is. Listen to that. Can't even hear it. Perfect. So there you go. That's how you fix a Philips Sonicare toothbrush that's making a lot of noise. So I figure probably just saved myself, I don't know, what do these things go for? 50 bucks? 100 bucks? I don't remember how much we paid for it. But anyway, there it is. It's all done. Good to go.